Good morning, everyone. My name is Shubh Sharma, and let's start with our pre-market analysis. Man, we have a lot to discuss. So let's start with US market. On Friday session, the Dow Jones closed at 183 points positive, but look at Nasdaq. Nasdaq closed at 326 points positive. The whole IT sector, the whole AI stocks. Look at Nvidia. Nvidia was up by 3 to 5%. Tesla, Apple, all these stocks were doing fantastic on Friday session. Now S&P 500 closed at 59 points positive, and at the time of recording the US 30 is trading at 30 points positive. Now let's talk about FII and DII data. Yesterday the FII on Friday session, which I mean that it bought close to 1800 crores, but look at DII number. The DII bought close to staggering 5700 crores. 5,700 crores. So big massive buying from DII. Now at the time of recording, the SGX Nifty showing a gap up opening of 140 points. So very positive start for our market. Now Asian markets are all in green. So very good start for our Asian markets. Now gold is up and obviously silver is up. Now let's talk about Nifty and Bank Nifty. Nifty closed at 26,030 futures. Support is 25,800 and resistance is 26,100. Now, first of all, give a big round of applause to all the viewers who watch my videos and are in trade. Remember, I gave you a trade where I told you to buy at 25,800 and for the risky trader and hold that trade, right? But for the safe trader, I told you to buy about 26,050. But risky traders are in trade with me, and look at where the market made bottom. The market made bottom at 25,801 to be specific, right? So this is the power of chart reading. This is the power of strong analysis, and we have successfully captured the bottom. Now we are up by close to 200 points, and with this cap up we'll be capturing 340 points. So 340 points in Nifty we have successfully captured, and we are still in this trade. So they're saying risk hai to ishq hai, right? Risk hai to ishq hai. So this is the same thing that goes same in everywhere. The more you take risk, the better the reward you will get. To all the risky traders, congratulations, you have successfully captured 340 points. Now 340 points, it's not a joke in Nifty. It's a very big thing. So but the main thing is that we held our trade, right? We have cashed the bottom and we have held to our trades. We didn't try to capture intraday moves. We only try to capture big moves. So yes, today with gap up opening we may open about 26,100, but for the safe players, what's next for them? Any pullback, right? You should look for entering into position. So any pullback close to 26,100, 26,050, 26,070, look for any buying opportunity. So resistance is obviously 26,200. Now let's talk about Bank Nifty. Now closing is 59,231, support is 59,000 and resistance is 59,500. I am bullish more on Nifty than on Bank Nifty. I believe Nifty will outperform Bank Nifty. Now, a few things. Bank of Japan have increased their interest rate by 25 basis point. So this is the highest in 30 years. So in 30 years, this is the first time they have increased the interest rate, and it's the biggest one. So in future, they are also planning to increase more interest rate. So let's see how that goes. So a few things. Indigo is getting added in Sensex, and TVMP Tata Motors passenger vehicles is going out of it. So few changes you will see in Nifty and Sensex and all these stocks. So watch those stocks carefully. Now, talk of the town, ADR. Yesterday Infosys ADR was up by 30, 40, 50%, right? But most of you don't know what is ADR. Let me explain. Indian companies that are listed in US market, they get a certificate. That certificate is called ADR. Yes, Infosys is listed in American market, HDFC Bank is listed in ICICI Bank, Axis Bank, Yatra.com, all these stocks are also listed in American market. So that listed company is called Infosys ADR, HDFC ADR, Axis Bank ADR, ICICI Bank ADR. ADR is nothing but the company that is listed in American market, and they get a certificate for that. It's called ADR. So I hope you would have understood what is ADR. We learned a few things. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.